Hi everyone, welcome back to Life and Language Podcast channel. You know that moment when a friend says something and you think, okay, kind of, but not really? Today's chunks are perfect for exactly that. First, I see your point, but great for showing you're listening before you disagree. Next, you're not wrong, but this one's softer, more casual, perfect for friendly debates. And finally, that's a fair point, though I'd argue. This sounds confident and thoughtful, ideal for work or serious discussions. All three let you disagree without sounding rude or dismissive. I see your point, but meaning and usage. Use to acknowledge that you understand someone's argument before introducing your own different or opposing view. It signals respect and open-mindedness while keeping the conversation balanced. Example sentences. 1. I see your point, but I think working from home actually increases productivity for some people. 2. I see your point, but we might need more time before making that decision. 3. I see your point, but the data tells a slightly different story. You're not wrong, but meaning and usage. A softer, more casual way to partially agree before redirecting to your own perspective. It validates what the other person said without fully conceding. Great for friendly debates or everyday disagreements. Example sentences. 1. You're not wrong, but there's another side to this we haven't considered. 2. You're not wrong, but I still think we should get a second opinion. 3. You're not wrong, but it really depends on the situation. That's a fair point, though, I'd argue, meaning and usage. Used to genuinely credit the other person's idea as reasonable before presenting your own stronger or different view. It sounds thoughtful and confident without being confrontational. Common in discussions, debates, and professional conversations. Example sentences. 1. That's a fair point, though I'd argue the benefits outweigh the risks. 2. That's a fair point, though I'd argue we're looking at this from two different angles. 3. That's a fair point, though I'd argue that timing makes all the difference here. Goodbye for now. See you in the next video.